for tuning in to Thirsty Thursday on Cook with April. You guys, one of our boba videos was popping, so we are still on this boba train.
Yes.
We're making mango slush boba, and it's really good. So stay tuned, you guys. All right, you guys. So for the ingredients for the mango slush boba, you'll need tapioca pearls. This is the one that I get on Amazon, you guys, and I'm using a cup. And then we're gonna add a little bit of brown sugar to the boba later, and that's gonna be like half a cup of brown sugar or more if you want, you guys. And then for the mango slush part, it's so easy, you guys. All you need is mango juice, any kind. I have this one. And then you're gonna also need frozen mango chunks. That way you don't need ice and it doesn't water it down. So let's get started. You guys, I have that water boiling right now. It's in a saucepan. We're gonna boil that so that we can make the boba. In the meantime, let's go ahead and just do that mango slush real quick. All you need is the mango chunks and the mango juice. And whatever blender you have, I usually do the ice cream setting or the milkshake setting. So let's secure this thing. And by the way, we've had this Blendtec for years, right honey? Like how many years? Like 6 years? It's been amazing. So here we go, you guys. Let's get it started. I'm gonna choose the Ice Crush milkshake. So I'm just following the tapioca pearl instructions. So what you do is you boil water and then you put the tapioca pearls in there. And once they rise up, that's when you go ahead and take them all out. Do you guys see all the boba rising? It takes literally just like a minute or two for it to rise. So I'm just gonna wait for all of them to rise and then I'll strain it. So for the brown sugar, all I'm doing is I'm gonna place that brown sugar down here like this. And we're gonna just heat this up, but we're gonna heat it up with the boba. So here we have brown sugar. I'm gonna pour the boba that I strained. You guys see that? I'm gonna put it on low, just to kind of combine the brown sugar and the boba together. And we're gonna go ahead and mix. And you see, it's so easy to combine. It's already melted. Okay, I'm gonna transfer that into my cup because it's ready. So we have the boba brown sugar mixture down here, you guys, and all we have to do is pour that mango slush right on top. By the way, I will link below this cup because it's great for boba. It has the thick straws. You see that? I also use it for coffee. There we go. Oh, we ready for that taste tester?
Yes.
I tasted it. Even Jacob tasted it. Why on your finger though? Look at the little bang-bang.
Cut myself opening a can.
Oh, I'm sorry. Justin opened up a can for the karaoke recipe. Right?
Oh my gosh, so good. The boba is so good.
I love it.
It's like,
it is.
I always judge a boba place by the consistency of the boba. And this is like, tastes just like one of our favorite places.
I'm gonna go to my boba place then. What you want? You want that taro?
Man, the the mango puree in here. It's interesting. You can really taste the brown sugar on the boba.
Yes, you can.
It's really good.
Brown sugar. It's good. Anyways, friends, thank you guys so much for watching. And in the comments, let me know what you guys want us to make for Cook with April or Thirsty Thursday. And join me on Instagram. That is where I'm at all the time.
Yes.
And we'll see you guys next time. Oh, Instagram is AprilTina7.
Yes.
I didn't even say it. It's AprilTina7. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.